everybody. Welcome to the Remote Accountants and Income channel. I'm your host, Vince. And today's episode, it's going to be talking a lot about how to get that best remote accounting job opportunity that you possibly can, as well as what you can use to your advantage in order to find positions that are out there. So, and also I'm going to do a job announcement at the end of this video too, so stay tuned for that. It's going to be a job placings that I'm going to post on my Facebook group. That's the Remote Accounting / Bookkeeping, and the business is hiring them. And so stay tuned for that. And so we'll get right into it about how best to get that remote job opportunity for you guys. And basically, one of the best ways is making sure that you have everything in alignment as you apply for jobs. What I mean by that is make sure that you have the education and the certifications that are going to give you that extra advantage before you even apply, because that's going to really stand out. I mean, experience is going to be great too. That's one of the best ways of being able to secure the next job. But you also want to make sure that you have the right certifications, the right training and software. Let me give an example, right? If you are just taking on QuickBooks and you haven't learned QuickBooks yet, you should take the time necessary in order to study QuickBooks, to take classes in QuickBooks, to get certified. So that way you have that to your advantage when you apply for a position. You know, the same thing is true for payroll software, right? You could look into anything from ADP, to the other softwares that are out there for payroll systems to see what kind of certifications, what kind of advanced training you can get, so that way you could put yourself in the best footing possible when you apply for a job that has that type of software, that they need people that are trained in that. And so just make sure that you do that. Education too as well, guys, just to make sure that you have the proper education in accounting. You know, getting a 4-year degree is standard for accounting, to make sure that you have all the necessary training on the balance sheet, the income statement, and the concepts of accounting, because the employers want to make sure that you're going to be maintaining their books in a way that's accurate, in a way that's, here in the United States, we call it GAAP compliant. And so you want to make sure that you have that training. So that's another factor there too. Now, I also mentioned in this video too, at the very beginning, that one of the best ways to get job opportunities there, remote accounting job opportunities. And that's where I come in for my group there. I don't have any positions myself, but people come to me with job opportunities that I regularly post on my Facebook group. And so you'll see the job opportunities that are available pretty much around the world. And these are people that sometimes have job opportunities that are site specific, or sometimes those opportunities are remote. And so you can be able to work anywhere and get that. So my best advice is people to go to be a part of that group. To be a member on this channel is going to help you out too. So go ahead and hit the subscribe and like button. That helps me out. But getting back to that Facebook group, to make sure that you're a member of that Facebook group, and scroll through the discussion page where I post these job opportunities, where you can see all these available positions. I oftentimes see some of the postings have 1 or 2 comments on there. Now, there's a much better way of doing it. It's just go through and find out who hasn't been replied to, and just sending them a text or an email saying, hey, listen, I'm interested in this job opportunity. Is it still available? And finding out more information about it. I do caution everyone that, you know, the jobs, since they are not my own, I don't know who is posting the job opportunity. So you need to make sure it's legitimate, make sure it's an actual company. You don't want to fall for some sort of phishing technique. But in any case, barring that, and we have blocked people that seems kind of suspicious, so I kind of filter that to the best of my ability, but I can't get through everything. So you get a lot of job opportunities that come my way, and a lot of comments that are made on my group. But what you could do is send off a personal message, send off an email, check their website, make sure that that company is legitimate, and that way you can apply for that. But if you add that combination of approach, right, if you have the certifications, if you have the education, if you can bake in any kind of experience, even if it's like an internship, I mean, you can work for free for a period of time, so you have experience, and then you look for all the job opportunities that are posted on there, you're going to put yourself on a much better footing than if you just kind of start out there and start applying for jobs and 1 or 2 of those items is missing that I mentioned, or, you know, you just are kind of winging it to see what lands, because it's going to be a hard sell on your part when you find somebody who is interested and you're not qualified for the software. You don't know the software very well, or you don't have any experience in that field at all, or you don't have the education necessary for that. So I do just highly recommend that. So I hope these tips have helped you out. If it has, again, hit the like button. That helps me out in this channel. But this channel is all about helping accountants out. I have tutorials on this channel. I have in Excel and accounting. I have interviews that I do with other accounting moderators of other groups, talking about my group, talking about their group. I do plan on doing some sort of interviews with different accountants and talking about how they landed jobs too. That's something that's going to be in the works too on my channel. But in any case, guys, I wanted to do an update on this. Oh, and I promised you the job opportunities I'll be announcing in my group. So today, guys, by the way, is Friday, October 14th. It's at 12:45 p.m. Pacific Standard Time right now. Tomorrow, I'll give you guys a full day ahead of time so you guys are aware of it. Tomorrow at noon, that'll be Saturday, October 15th at noon, so 12 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Some people ask me like, well, what time range is it? What time zone? That's Pacific Standard Time. That's when I'll be posting all these job opportunities. So I'll repeat that. Saturday, October 15th at noon, I'll be posting about job opportunities on my Facebook group so you guys can see that. And once again, guys, make sure you do your own research so you can check out those and make sure they're legitimate and make sure it's a good fit for you. So I hope this has helped you out. I continue to try to post new videos on this channel. One of the things I mentioned in my prior videos is I'm going to do videos on remote income. And so be on the lookout for that too as well, ways to earn extra income in. I've done a video on that before. I plan on doing some more videos on that to help you guys be able to have like side income coming in to help you out in paying bills and other things too. That's going to be useful for you guys. Well, guys, I'll cap it here for today. Hope you guys are having a great Friday. I hope it's a great weekend for you guys. I look forward to the next video. Take care, everyone.